welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys the process of how I got this backdrop basically. First I want to talk about why I did this in the first place. It was just very cluttered. There was a lot of just random stuff around. It wasn't very organized. It was half organized. And I think this setup will kind of force me to constantly clean my area a lot more. This setup has a lot more storage space. My desk setup before, I had the drawer cabinet in my desk, and like some furniture where I could like just stuff things in like the shelving or my makeup cabinet, but it wasn't, it didn't make me happy. I didn't spend much time at my desk. I kind of just like, it was a place to just toss everything around in, and that's just not how your productivity area should be, should it? So that's why I changed my backdrop, and there's so much more space in my room. Oh god, you guys have no idea. I have so much room to, like, I can have a full-on workout in my room. Like, if you guys could see what's behind this camera. Basically, I needed to declutter my life. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I kind of did this as like a vlog style. I didn't want it to be like too professional. Am I filming? So let's just roll the clips. Okay, so I literally just sold this desk on Facebook Market like 30 minutes ago. I posted it yesterday. Less than 24 hours, it sold for $50. I did have a cabinet here. I don't know if you guys remember, but I also sold that in less than 48 hours for $30. And I'm now planning the layout of the wall-mounted desk I want. I'm not an architect or anything, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I get the measurements right and I don't screw it up. But I know there are many things that can and will go wrong during this process. I've already ordered the brackets. I ordered garage shelving brackets, and they're meant to hold up to 1,200 pounds. So I know that's gonna, I mean, that has to be more than enough, like, weight. I mean, I'm not gonna have like giant cabinets or anything on it. I'm honestly just gonna have like my typical vanity stuff and like my typical vanity mirror, and I'm just going to use it as a desk, and I'll figure out storage. And I doubt I'm going to reach over 120 pounds. I mean, sorry, 1,200 pounds. That's really heavy. That's really heavy. So now I have to clean up this entire thing, get rid of everything, put it somewhere, and bring this desk downstairs. So I got my pieces of wood, cars, from Home Depot, and now we're gonna get some pecking because, well, why not? My uncle's here to help and save the day. Wow, I watch.
You have light.
Good, what? Light? Yeah, well, you can leave this on. Really?
It's like bricks.
Oh, yeah.
Red.
Is that a brick wall?
Brick wall.
You're telling me if I take this wall out, it's exposed brick? That's a brick wall. That's literally a brick.
Yeah, that's why it's red.
Holy crap. Honestly, major shout outs to my uncle for doing this for me. Muchly appreciated. I mean, I watched, but I'm glad I got the measurements right. I'm glad I got the right screws for these guys. We learned, as you saw in the clips before this, I recorded with my iPhone because this was dead. This wall here is just straight up brick. It'd be actually pretty nice to have an exposed brick wall. My uncle actually kind of explained it's kind of nice that this building's older because it's really sturdy. Like, this is going nowhere. This is not going anywhere. Yeah, I'm excited to start decorating. I might stain this like a hint darker, and I'm gonna hang a bunch of stuff here. I might get like a little chair situation here or storage for all my stuff. Maybe like something to display my favorite shoes, display my makeup or something like that here. So got it really up high, if you can tell. This is where it hits on my body because I want it to be a standing desk. My posture is terrible, so I want to be able to stand and do my work, and I have this stool that I can sit on and get my work done too if I get tired, but this is really comfortable height for me. Kind of envisioned having 2 stools, but I think this one will do for now. I won't be able to get one exactly matching because I got it at Home Goods, so it's really nowhere to be found anymore. And yeah, I'm so excited for this desk. I'm excited to get my work done, make some videos, make this backdrop really pretty, put some plants on here that don't die. The hardest part, honestly, was just making sure you translated the right measurements to the person at Home Depot. Oh, let me talk about how much everything costs. So the brackets were $10 each, well $9.90 or something. And then I bought the screws, which were like $3 for a whole pack. And then the wood, here's the thing, I know nothing about wood. And like, I just went to Home Depot with no knowledge on how to buy lumber whatsoever, and I stupidly bought the entire piece. Like, it's massive. It's like, I think it was 8 feet by 4 feet or something like that, and I really only needed 10 feet of that entire piece. My longest piece of wood is 4 feet, and then the shortest, well, 44 inches, and then it's 44 inches by 16, and then 36 inches by 16. And this is not even half the amount of wood that I purchased. So I got 3 pieces of 44 inch by 16 and 3 pieces of 36 inch by 16, along with like a couple other like random cutout pieces from the larger ones we cut out, and it was $50. I could have built multiple desks for $50. If you can, just make sure you pre-measure everything and you measure the pieces they offer at Home Depot, because then you're just gonna end up buying way more than you need. Just go to Home Depot first is what I recommend. Okay, progress. I got these things from, what is it called? World Market. This one, this is a whole, that's what it looks like. It's like a blush pink. And it was $7.99. Did I say I got it from World Market? I got this one. It's a really funky pattern with a cork lid, and I put all of my cotton rounds on it in it. And this one was, what does that say? $12.99. And then this one, all my face brushes. This was $9.99, and I actually put some of this tissue that they wrapped it in inside of it because it was a little too steep. I mean, they fit, but it was making me uncomfortable how steep this thing was and how like low they were. They weren't low enough to the point where I could put the lid on it, but it wasn't like high up enough to make it look like, yeah, this is for my brushes kind of thing. Does that make sense? So I just, yeah, put some tissue in there, and now it looks like that. And I'm working on everything else on here. I took my mason jar that I got from Ann Pizza that I've been using for ages. I took off the sticker that was on it. I might actually end up using this one again too. That's my progress so far. I'm going to make this section my makeup section, and this section like my go to work section. So we're gonna figure that out slowly but surely. And right now I am watching Desi and Katie's new video while I am cleaning up. And this is the section where I put the shit where I don't know where it goes, but I'll figure it out at some point. Can we just talk about all of the lipsticks that I have? They look exactly the same, but I promise you, they're the same but different. okay? Right now I'm organizing all my crap. Now that I have my desk up, this is all the crap that I have laid out, and I'm emptying this, putting all my makeup in this. I had stuffed all of my makeup in this drawer temporarily as I was cleaning out my old desk area. So I'm gonna organize this, go through it, get rid of some crap that I don't use. So here goes nothing. Okay, these are my new cabinets. Woohoo! And this guy. Ta-da! And I got these boxes where I can put my shit in. How cute are these? Ta-da! And then I got this box by accident. It's far too big for that cabinet. Then I have this animal over here that doesn't do shit on my bed. This, I'm so excited about, you guys. Look at this beauty. I found this trunk at Miss Pixie's, and I was looking for something. It was literally like, I need a trunk to put my shit in, and I can lock it. And this still has the key to the actual lock. And by the looks of it, somebody actually used this to travel, which I don't know how the hell they did, because this thing is heavy. But there are all these patches from Camp Laney. I really want to take them off, and I think I can actually. I just have to be really careful. Except I don't really know how to open this. Oh shit, that's hard. Okay, never mind. Maybe I'm not gonna open this for you guys. I'll open it later. And then we got a bunch of shit from IKEA, new sheets. Oh, I need to take this to put in my room. It's a little caddy that I'm gonna put all my pens and supplies in and shit. I got a new rug, which I'm excited to put in. It matches my new trunk perfectly. Okay, and then here's my makeup situation that I'm going to move into that little cabinet with a bunch of drawers in it. Still a little bit of chaos here, but we're making progress. Did you fart? I stink. Yes, you did. You can see it in that face. You did fart. I'm in my car and I'm about to go to the paint store place to get some stains for my wood and a protector, so that when I do my makeup I can easily wipe it off and it's not going to stain the wood itself. So let's go on this adventure, y'all. So I went with this guy. I didn't want to film in the store because I thought that was just a little awkward. It was like only one person in there, and I really like this color, so I'm glad they had a color that I liked. I wanted this other shade called like New American or something, but this is pretty similar, and I think this one's just more simple and I can easily decorate around this shade. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's not the most even, but to be honest with you, I don't really give a shit. I'm just waiting for it to dry out so I can put the coating, what is it? The top coat on it. Oh my god. And also, disaster happened and I dropped everything that was on here, which included that jar, and another jar, which I don't know what happened to it. Okay, so I just finished setting this up. This is the makeup section. I put my lamp back. And I'm gonna put my everyday stuff here. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Okay? We're getting there. So that wraps up this video. This is just part one because I want to show a little bit more of the decor end of things, but that will come in the future. I learned that with redecorating or rearranging or doing something new to your space, you can't force it. You have to just like roll with punches. And if you find something you absolutely love, then get it, but don't buy things just because you know you want it now. And you like, I think finding pieces along the way is so much better than just like buying a bunch of shit. And I just think you should be patient in setting up your space because you want to really like the pieces you find. And especially the fact that I'm going to LA next week, I want to go to the flea market, so I might find a bunch of things that I really like there. So I don't want to buy any decor just yet. I'm just still waiting for the perfect pieces. Just like the trunk that I found. Can we talk about that for just 1 second? I was about to like not go into that store because I was like, it's kind of far. I really don't want to walk. I mean, it was like a 4-minute walk, but it was really hot outside. And DC has this sale on 14th Street called Dog Days at the first weekend of every August. And the entire street has a huge sale, and this furniture store, like vintage, antique random shit store, Miss Pixie's, she never does a sale, but for this one weekend she does a sale, and the entire store is 20% off. And I was just walking around like, these are cool, but I don't have a house yet, so I don't really need half this shit. Then I go all the way to the back of the store, and I see this trunk. I was like, oh my god, it's calling my name. It was literally what I was looking for. It was perfect color, and it was in great condition. It still locks, it still has a key, like it's great. It's everything I ever dreamed of. So I was glad I went into that store, but just as an example, like don't force, like I almost bought something off Amazon, but I'm glad I didn't and waited, because I would have never known that I was going to find that amazing trunk that weekend. So just be patient if you are redecorating and let the pieces come to you. But yeah, okay, done rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye!